How to create connected dots animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node, connect it to Media Out, and change its color. With the background node selected, click on the ellipse mask to add a mask. Adjust the size of the mask to your liking. Right-click on the center property, and choose Modify with Shake. In the Modifiers tab, set Smoothness to 50. Select the ellipse node, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and press Ctrl+V to paste it 2 times. Select each of duplicate ellipses and in the Modifiers tab click on the Reseed button to change the initial position of the circle. Now move the playhead to the start. Select the last ellipse and click on Polygon Mask to add it. Select each ellipse and make sure to memorize the order of them in the viewer. Now select the polygon mask and click on the ellipses in order to add 3 points. Increase border width a little bit. Click on this button to select all the points. Then from this drop-down choose Publish Points. Now we have 3 points that we can use. Click on this Pin button to pin the polygon properties to the inspector. Select the first ellipse. In the inspector, right-click on the points and choose Expression. Connect point 0 to the first ellipse center property. Select other ellipses and connect other points to them. Now go back to Edit page, drag the composition into Timeline, and adjust its duration.